Hello little adventurers! Welcome back to Animal Kingdom where curiosity meets the wild. Today, we're heading into the grassy plains of Africa to meet one of nature's most striking animals, the zebra. With their bold black and white stripes, zebras are instantly recognizable. But there's so much more to them than just their looks. Zebras are part of the horse family, which makes sense when you see their shape and size. But unlike their horse and donkey cousins, zebras have never been truly domesticated. They prefer the wild, where their unique adaptations help them survive. Let's talk about those famous stripes. Each zebra has a pattern that's completely unique, like a human fingerprint. Scientists believe these stripes may confuse predators, help repel biting insects, and even keep zebras cool under the hot African sun. And here's a fun fact: zebras are actually black-skinned animals with white stripping on top. There are three main species of zebra: the plains zebra, the mountain zebra, and the grevy's zebra. Plains zebras are the most common, and they often live in large herds across the savanna. Mountain zebras are known for their distinctive dewlap, a fold of skin along their necks, and they live in rugged, rocky terrain. Grevy's zebras are the largest species, with narrow stripes and tall, mule-like ears, but sadly, they are endangered. Zebras are herbivores, meaning they eat plants. They spend most of their day grazing on grasses, but they'll also snack on leaves, bark, and shrubs if food is hard to find. Their strong teeth are built to handle tough grasses that many other animals won't eat. But life on the savanna isn't easy. Predators like lions, cheetahs, and hyenas often target zebras. That's why zebras rely on their speed, their powerful kicks, and the safety of their herd. When threatened, zebras group together, and their overlapping stripes create a dazzling pattern that confuses predators. Zebras are also very social animals, especially the plains zebra. They live in small family groups called harems, led by a stallion and including several mares and their young. Sometimes these family groups come together, forming massive herds with thousands of zebras moving across the plains. Imagine that, an entire river of stripes galloping across the savanna. Communication is key for zebras. They whinny, bark, and snort, and they also talk through body language using their ears and tails. A flick of the ears can signal warning, while a swish of the tail might show annoyance or affection. Zebra mothers are especially protective of their foals. Right after birth, the mother makes sure her baby memorizes her stripe pattern. That way, even in a huge herd, the foal can always recognize its mom. But zebras face more dangers than just predators. Habitat loss, competition with livestock, and poaching for their skins have all reduced their numbers. Conservation groups are working hard to protect them, especially the endangered grevy's zebra. Zebras remain a symbol of freedom, unity, and resilience across Africa. Their beauty and survival skills remind us how important it is to protect wild spaces and the incredible animals that live there. Thanks for joining us today on Animal Kingdom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more wild adventures. And we'll see you next time where curiosity meets the wild.